how to collect new shields in Monopoly Go. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can collect new shields in Monopoly Go, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to collect new shields on the Monopoly Go game, you basically open the Monopoly Go game over here. So just make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, on Monopoly Go, if you tap on the shields icon at the top of the screen, you will be able to browse through all of the shields that you own. You will start with the Defender, which is the usual orange shield with the white border. It's automatically equipped, and if you notice that there are other slots for different shields that you might acquire later. Now to get different shields, you need to participate in events. So of course, if all you want to do is fill your shield meter, just poke around the board and eventually you are going to get the shields by simply playing the game and using a dice. But if you need different skins of shields, like I said, you have to participate in events. For example, like this, there are some Halloween events. They have some reward that you can get. It seems like for now the only reward that you can get is this token, but depending upon the event that's happening when you are playing, there might be rewards which are shield skins, and by acquiring those rewards rolling around the board, you will be able to get and equip them by tapping on your shields icon, like I said. So hope this video helped you as to how you can collect new shields on Monopoly Go. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.